Hi guys, today I'm reviewing my slow juicer. This is the Big Squeeze from Breville. Well, I've been using slow juicer since many years, but this juicer is different. How? Let's find out. This is the outer box which says bigger shoot for bigger fruit, and that's what makes it apart from other brands. The other side of the box mentions few more features. This product comes with a massive 10 years of warranty. These all are the accessories you have inside the box. You also get a product manual which talks about the 10-year warranty. This is the main unit. It has a space to hold or lift the unit. It has a power button and forward and reverse buttons. This is the juicing bowl which has a measurement marking. The juice collects here and comes out from this outlet, and the pulp comes from another outlet. Rest of the juicing accessories like strainer and juicing screw etc. fit into this juicing bowl. These two are the cleaning tools. This jug without the handle is to collect the pulp and the other is to collect the juice. It has a handle, spout and measurement marking on it. These are Triton jugs. This is the pusher which you would need to push fruits or vegetables while juicing, and this is the feeding unit from where all the fruits and veggies would go to the juicer. It has a Breville branding on it. This part has two chutes. The big one is for big fruits like apple, orange, etc., and the smaller one is for leafy or hard produce like nuts, beans, carrots, etc. This is how the Breville Big Squeeze looks like after setup. Before I start testing my new slow juicer, I wanted to share this new product with my USA and Canada viewers. The Reserve brand has now come up with this super box which has 3 superfoods in it. Like my box has collagen booster, healthy creamer and blue spirulina. You get 3 different full-size superfoods for $41. It's indeed a great deal. You're saving almost 50% if you order a super box with free shipping in the USA. The link to their website is in the description box. Now I'm going to test the slow juicer by making 3 types of juices using various fruits and veggies. I'll be testing how sturdy it is, quality of juice, its extraction power, etc. To make first juice, I'll be using whole apple, sweet potato, pumpkin and orange. Sweet potato is hard and fibrous vegetable and extracting its juice is difficult. I'm also not cutting the apple to see how this juicer is going to handle it. Well, that's what is the Big Squeeze all about, right? I started with sweet potato and pumpkin and you can see juicer started extracting juice effortlessly. The entire apple went through the chute and got processed in few seconds. Wow, I never came across a juicer like this. I was able to get around 500 ml of juice, and if you see the pulp, it's almost dry. The juice is full-bodied, has got vibrant colors and is pulp-free. Now I'm trying to make a green juice using cucumber, spinach leaves, green apple and ginger. You can see that the juice extraction started instantly. Again, the pulp is almost dry. You can see the consistency and the color of the juice. Perfect green and the juice is pulp free. Also, there was no separation in the juice even after 10 to 15 minutes. Now to make the third juice, I am using few hard veggies like beetroot and carrots. Again, the entire apple got processed in few seconds. The beetroot and carrots were also effortlessly processed by this juicer. I'm supposed to get 500 ml of juice as per the measurements, and it gave me exactly 500 ml from 3 carrots, 1 beet, 1 apple and a small piece of ginger. That means it extracts a lot of juice. Just look at the color. Simply eye-popping. The juice is pulp-free and super smooth. After testing this juicer, it's time to discuss its pros and cons. The design is compact. As you can see, it doesn't take much counter space. It looks good and has good nice silver finish. The motor unit is sturdy, heavy and doesn't move or shake even while processing hard veggies like beet, carrots, etc. It's for $400 in the USA and $600 in Canada, and I think the price is very competitive compared to other slow juicer brands. Plus you get a massive 10 years of warranty which I don't think others are providing. Dual chute is an advantage while juicing. I'm highly impressed with its performance. The juice yield is high as the pulp is almost dry. The motor is quiet and can process all types of produce, be it soft, hard, leafy, etc. And lastly, the taste of these juices are terrific. This proves that the extraction is cold pressed and it retains the flavor, and I could actually taste every ingredient added. Now, talking about the cons, the cleaning seems to be a bit difficult considering the twists and turns in the juicing unit. Also, if something stuck inside the juicing unit, it's difficult at times to move even with the help of the pusher. But overall, it's the best juicer I've used till now. Amazing performance and super sturdy. If you're looking for a slow juicer, then I highly recommend this because it has the Breville branding, and second, it has 10 years of warranty. People often ask me which juicer is the best to buy, and there's nothing like a slow juicer as it gives you every drop from the fruits and vegetables. It's definitely a bang for your buck. Plus, the taste is heavenly. I hope I answered all your questions about this juicer. If you still have any, then don't forget to post it down. I'll be happy to reply. Also, I've reviewed many other products from Breville in the past. You can watch them in my channel too. Hope you like this short review. Do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, get Breville Big Squeeze, as it's going to squeeze the fruits without squeezing your wallet. Bye bye.